Yes, very good afternoon, Srinivas. Good afternoon, everyone. Could you confirm once that you can see me, you can hear me, as well as you can see this presentation? Just once, or if some issue is there. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. In between, also, if anything disturbs, then please do inform me, right? Although I'm very aware I'm recording this session from three screens, but still some issue might be there, okay? Please do inform me. I know, Rishi, you are very excited about the class. I know. I can start. I will start. Don't worry. Yes, yes, definitely you can ask any question regarding string. Okay. I'll I have deliberately kept a lot of things regarding string in today's session also, typecasting also. Okay. So yes, definitely I'll answer your queries. Yeah. Yeah, what is your question? When I input streamers, okay, then what happens? It is showing output as Srinivas. Okay. Yeah. And it is not showing, but I declared size of a string as 5. Okay. Okay. Great. So it should only show up to Srini. No, it should show only up to IN only. Even the I shouldn't be there. Why? Because null point assignment is already there, right? At the end. Uh, okay, no problem. Take my email. Okay, send your query here. I'll compile it for you. Then I'll give you the detailed explanation. Okay, take my email. Every one of you, if you are having any specific queries like he's having, okay, can always use this particular mail ID. I'll pin it up for you. Okay. Send me the entire query. Okay. Then I'll answer your query there only. I'll give you the detailed explanation as well as I'll compile this code. See, bhai, what is the issue. Okay. Yeah. So I think joining, leaving, everything has happened. Okay. Let us start. Okay. So, very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ambuj. I am a research scholar at Agricultural and Food Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur, and I will be taking your live interactive session for this particular course, Problem Solving Through Programming in C. This course is taught by a very renowned professor, Professor Anupam Basu from IIT Kharagpur, CS department. Okay. And what we'll be doing in this particular session, that I'll be posting some of the questions based on the previous week's content in front of you all, and you have to answer the questions, okay, to the best of your knowledge in using the chat box only. And deliberately I have kept your mic as mute. Okay. When joining, leaving, everything will be at a constant pace, then you I'll allow you all. Okay. So no problems, because every time some sound disruption is there. Till then, use the chat box. Okay. For your queries and for your reactions and for answering the questions. Okay. Answer the questions carefully. Okay. Don't commit mistakes deliberately. Okay. Or unknowingly. Read the question, then answer. I'll give you enough time. Okay. 2 minutes time always I am giving you. So the very first question for your present session is this. The precedence of arithmetic operators is from highest to lowest. And these are your options. Okay. See for yourself, then answer it. Okay. What is precedent of mod? Good. Do attend the sessions, right? Do attend the sessions. Use this particular Google Doc link to see the slides as well as the recorded sessions if you are absent. Okay. Because I can explain you multiple times, but still you should be able to answer yourself also. Okay. Because in the examination, notes and everything will not be with you. Okay. Good. Keep on answering. Do answer it. I'll explain you. Don't worry. Okay. Not a lot of people have answered it. Please do answer it. I'm waiting for you. 1 more minute. Whatever feels to you is correct. Do mention it down in the chat box. Okay. Good. Okay. The precedence of arithmetic operators from highest to lowest is indeed your option A. That is the mod sign. Then your multiplication is there. Then your division. Then your addition. And then your subtraction is there. Okay. So indeed, definitely, this is the correct choice. Okay. Always you have to keep in mind this particular table. Whomsoever was asking what is the precedence of mod operator, please see here. Okay. Carefully. First of all, the highest precedence. This thing entirely I have covered in my previous lecture only. Okay. So just a revision to it. Please be before any particular session, revise the previous sessions. Okay. This is week 3. So before coming to week 4, do revise week 3's content. Week 1, week 2, week 3 should be clear to you because programming is a step by step process. It is not like that in one day only you will be able to see everything and then you will be able to do the entire programming. One day you won't be a programmer, but slowly and gradually you would be a good programmer even. Okay. So that is what I can say. This is the operator precedence table. Okay. This already I have explained to you. Still I am revising you. Okay. Revising in front of you. The highest precedence is given to the postfix operators. Okay. Array, function call, member access, increment, decrement, and the associativity means how will you apply bracket, that is from left to right. Then comes your unary operator, increment, decrement, unary plus, unary minus, logical not, bitwise not, pointer, dereference, address of, type cast, okay, and size of. These all are under category 2. Okay. Then the most asked one are 3, 4, and 5 only. Okay. This you have to only remember, particularly for the sake of examination. Okay. These 1 and 2 will cover when we will cover pointers. Okay. So for the meantime, if remembering the entire table is not feasible to you, then please do revise about these 3, 4, and 5. Okay. At least remember these only. Okay. This would be very helpful for you guys. Okay. So this is the thing. Here it comes. Okay. Then third, if you see the row number 3, there is multiplication, division, and modulus. Associativity or the applying of bracket is from left to right. This you have to remember. Okay. How it is done already I have covered it in great detail in my previous session. Okay. Still there are examples here we will revise. Okay. Yeah. Then your addition, then your subtraction is there, then bitwise shift left, shift right, already these I have covered. Okay, what they mean, please do visit my previous session, try to get the PDF. Okay, do revise from that, and in detail try to research about it. Okay, then comes your relational operators, which is less than, equal to, greater than, etc. Okay, then your equality operators, bitwise and what is bitwise XOR and what is the truth table, already I have covered. Then comes your logical AND, then comes your ternary conditional operator, then comes your assignment operators, then comes your comma operators, and associativity means what do you how you have to apply bracket. Okay, so 3, 4, and 5 are the most important one. Do revise them. Okay, very easy to remember. Okay, not much difficulty is there. Not much difficulty is there. Okay, multiplication is there, division is there, modulo is there, or modulus is there. Okay, previous week somebody was telling me that their modulo modulus are different words. Okay, good, I knew it, but still I am telling you once again that multiplication, division, and modulus, they are at category 3, means their precedence is same, but while applying brackets you have to go from left to right. That is the meaning. Then addition, division, they are having a precedence which is lower than this particular multiplication, division, and modulus. And fifth precedence is your bitwise shift left, shift right, and the entire table continues afterwards. Okay, sir, modulo operator after yeah, division, is there typo in option? No, there is no typo in option. Okay, I'll see it here once again, revisit to you. Please do remember that multiplication, division, and modulo, they are having the same precedence. Multiplication, division, and modulo, they are having the same precedence at level 3. Okay, so out of the options, this one is the most correct. Then comes addition and subtraction. Okay, in option 2, after modulo there is plus, so it won't be correct. Okay, then in the C option, first one is your addition. This won't be correct. Okay, addition is having very low precedence as compared to modulo, division, and your multiplication. And then similarly, D won't be correct. Don't get confused. Okay, these three, which are division, multiplication, and modulo, they are having the same precedence. Okay, same precedence. After that, it is plus minus. So here even multiplication can come before your mod operator. There is no doubt in that. Okay. Yeah, sir. Where can I get the previous sessions? See, I have pinned a message. Okay, you must be getting it. If you are not getting it, I am writing once again. Okay. See this particular link. Okay, you will get everything from here, the recordings as well as the uh, PDFs. Okay, so whomsoever are asking again, whomsoever find time, just copy this link or tell your peers also. Okay, you will get PDF also, you will get recordings also, and you will get attendance also. Everything you will get here only. Okay, good. Yeah, let us move forward. See the detailed explanation. Correct answer is your mod operator, then afterwards your multiplication or division, then plus minus. Okay, here is I think some typos there. I'll just write it down here. Just a second. Yeah, it should be multiplication. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, yeah, here this will be multiplication. Okay, yeah, correct option is this particular one, and explanation is here. Modulo, multiplication, division, they are having the highest precedence among the basic arithmetic operators evaluated from left to right. Okay, within an expression. Then comes your addition and subtraction operators having the lowest precedence. Okay, and they will be at the bottom. Okay, they are also evaluated from left to right within an expression. Okay, then precedence from highest to lowest will be this one. Okay, this one is correct, 100%. I'll highlight it. This one is definitely correct. Okay, just a second. Yeah, this one would be correct. Okay, why this order matters? Definitely, you have to remember it. Specific order is crucial because it ensures mathematical expressions are evaluated correctly, adhering to the standard rules of arithmetic. Standard rules of arithmetic are even followed in programming also. Okay, so then don't think so that for programming we have made some another mathematics. Okay, it is not like that. Okay, mathematics is same only. Just the thing is that for compilers, okay, compilers will evaluate the entire operation mathematically. So we have made some rules that are in those rules comes the order of precedence. Okay, so that particular table and how they are evaluated, that is very important for programming point of view. Okay. Yeah. If the order was reverse, yeah, definitely the result would be incorrect. And why these B, C, and D are not the correct options, that has been written here. Whomsoever is having any confusion, feel free to use the PDF. Okay. That is why I make very detailed PDF and analysis so that even though you forget what I told you, but while revising, you can just read it down and you can see for yourself. Okay. So everything whichever I speak is mentioned in the PDF itself, so that you don't have to uh, take notes. Okay. Yeah. Let's move forward. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Which of the following is a logical operator in C? Do answer it, but do answer it correctly. Okay. Good. Good. People are answering. Great. Great. Almost everyone is answering. Good. Do answer it. A lot of people are there, but the responses are a bit too low. Good. C is assignment operator. Good. Good, Aman. Very good. Okay. Great. D is also assignment operator. Okay. Good. Option A. Good. Yes. The correct option is this particular one. A. And. Okay. Two ampersands are written. This is your logical or your Boolean AND. Okay. This particular one is your logical operator. Let us look the options. Okay. Correct answer is definitely this one. And. Two times only. Means two ampersand symbols. Logical operators are used to combine or modify the Boolean logic of expressions often used in conditional statements. What are conditional statements? If, while, for, these are the conditional statements. Okay. These particular ones are the conditional statements, means if one condition will be true, then the second block or the block of the code which is after that particular block will be executed. Otherwise, the operator will jump. Okay, or the compiler will jump. That is the thing. Another conditional statement I told you in the previous lecture is this one. Just a second. Yeah. Do you remember it? If you remember it, do write in the chat box what does it mean. Okay. There are two statements. Statement 1 is there. After that question mark is there. Statement 2 is there. After that colon is there. And statement 3 is there. Okay. This is the thing. Yeah, this is ternary operator. Good. Very good. But how it is executed, do mention in the comment section. Okay. Yeah, how this, what will be the flow between S1, S2 and S3? Okay, this you have to write it down. Okay, do use the chat box. Okay, yeah, let me continue. Then at the end, I'll see what are your opinions. Okay, logical operators are used to combine or modify the Boolean logic of expressions, often used in conditional statements if, while, and for. Typically operate on Boolean values, that is true or false, and produce a Boolean result. Yeah, definitely Boolean result is 1 or 0. Okay, that is the thing. 0 is considered false in C. Okay, and any non-zero value is considered true. Please do remember it. Any value which is greater than 0, non-zero, okay, that will be considered true. Okay, please do remember it. So logical AND or AND, this operator returns true if both the operands are true. Definitely, you must be knowing what do you mean by logical AND. Okay, so there goes this explanation. What is meant by logical AND? This operator returns true if both operands are true and false if one is false. Okay. For example, A is greater than 5 and then B is less than true is true only. Both the statements are true. If either one of them is false, then the entire statement will return you 0. That is false. Okay. B is your equality operator. Definitely. This is a relational operator. Okay. What are different types of operators? I'll just cover it them down. Okay. That checks if two values are equal. Please do remember it. For your own understanding, I am telling you, this is equality. It is checking. Single equal to is assignment operator. It will assign the value immediately. Okay. If I'll write down x equal to 5, it means x is getting checked that whether the value is 5 or not. If I'll write down x equal to 5, then that means x will be assigned the value of 5. Okay. But if I write down 5 equal to x, it will show error because whatever the value is on the right hand side, that will be automatically transferred to the variable which is there on the left hand side. Okay. This is the flow. Please do remember whatever I am saying. This is very important. Okay. For your own understanding and solving these MCQs. Okay. Yeah. This is a relational operator that checks if two values are equal but does not perform logical Boolean combination, does not evaluate a Boolean value. Example, A equal to B will evaluate to true if A is equal to B. Okay. And false if not. Very simple. Then assignment operator, I already explained you. It is used to assign value to a variable. Then your addition assignment operator is there. Yes, definitely. This one is also an assignment operator, but this is one is your addition assignment operator. This operator adds a value to a variable and assigns the result back to the variable. That is the meaning. Means if I'll write down a plus equal to 5, what does it mean? A equal to a plus 5. Means value of a will be incremented by 5. That is the meaning here. It is a compound assignment operator. It is not a logical operator. Okay. Logical operations are in C are limited to these one only. Logical OR. Okay. This particular symbol which you are seeing of logical OR is just above your enter key in your keyboard. If keyboard is there in your laptop or in your keyboard, okay, separate keyboard you are using, then please see above the enter there is key. If you will press it down with shift, then you will get this particular symbol. This is logical OR. Okay. And logical OR is there, not is there. Okay. Not is shift plus 1. Okay. Returns true if the operand is false and vice versa. Okay. It will just reverse. That is logical not. And the conclusion is this one only, and one another operator. Okay. Which is logical. You have to remember is this one. This is not equal to. If I'll write it down, A not equal to 5. Okay. This is as good as A not equal to 5 in mathematics. Okay. But here through the keys only, yeah, this one is also known as pipe. Definitely 100%. This is also known as pipe and it comes by pressing shift and the key above the enter key, okay, in your keyboard. Yeah, this a not equal to 5 will be as good as a not equal to 5 in your mathematics. Okay, so the symbols, okay, they are limited on the keyboard. That is why we have created not equal to by using the exclamation mark and equal to sign. Okay, this is the thing here. Let us move forward. This is the entire list. Okay, whatever the types of operators are there in C language, okay, they all have been listed. So we will go through them serially one at a time. Okay, arithmetic operators, they are used to perform the mathematical operations. Okay, first of all comes the arithmetic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Division is the remainder of division. Okay, there is some confusion. There was in previous session. I'll explain you. Although I cleared it at that particular moment only, but still I want to clear it down. This is modulo. Okay, what do you mean by modulo? Modulo is the remainder of the division. Okay, if I'll add the statement evaluate be with my handwriting I am speaking also. Okay, I cannot write so much with clarity. A mod 2. Okay, first of all I'll initialize a to 10. Then another statement I will write it down. Okay, I'll declare, let me do it correctly stepwise. Just a second. Yeah, I'll declare two particular values. First of all, I'll declare int a equal to 10. Okay. Then I'll declare float b. Then I'll write it down b equal to a mod 2. Okay. And then I'll print the value of b. What you will get it? Can you tell? 10 mod 2. 10 mod 2 is 0. Okay. Why is it 0? Because it is the remainder. It is the remainder of the division. Means 10 will be divided by 0 and then you will get it as 0. Okay. Yeah, it will be 0, 0.0. Definitely because I declared b as float. Okay. By default it is 6 point. So it will be 0 point. Then afterwards 6 zeros will be there. Okay. This is the thing here and I'll see the comment section. Yeah. Whomsoever answered conditional operator. Yeah, definitely it is true. Yeah, it is like that. If S1 is true, this is regarding your previous example. Okay, question mark and colon ternary operator or conditional operator. So yes, definitely if S1 is true, then S2 is assigned. If S1 is true, then S2 is assigned. Or if the condition is not true, then S3 is assigned. Okay, this is the entire thing, and most of you have answered it correctly. Okay, Astha, Aman, whomsoever have answered, even Nadim and Mohammad Raza Khan, yeah, that definitely. You have answered it correctly. Okay, if S1 is true, okay, then we go. Then the output is S2, or S2 is assigned. And if the condition is not true or S1 is not true, then S3 assigned. Okay, this is the meaning of conditional operator. Okay, or ternary operator. Great. Let us move forward. Yeah, where I was? Yes, I was explaining you the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then modulo, then increment. Increment is nothing. If you will write down, though two types of increment are there. First of all, I can increase the value of plus plus a. Okay, or I can write a plus plus. So both these are different. Okay, post and pre increment or decrement operators. These two are there. And what is the difference and how the output will vary? That already I have explained you in the previous week. Okay, so do revisit it. Okay. Monica, why are you presenting? Why? What happened? Why you started presenting? You started presenting, so mm, my presentation got over. Monica, why don't present? Let me present. Let me be the teacher for the time being. Monica, please wait for some time, okay? After the class is over, I'll give you enough time. You can present me anything, okay? But let me teach. Bhai, I'll go. Oh yeah, share their screen, send chat messages I have allowed, send reactions I have allowed, turn on their microphone I have allowed, turn on their video I have allowed. Okay. Share their screen. I should keep it off because otherwise Monica will start presenting. Good. Yeah. So this is over. Okay. Then assignment operators are there. First one is your simple assignment, that is equal to. Okay. Then your add and assign already covered. Then subtract and assign already covered. Then multiply and assign. This is also as same as your multiplication to a value, and then you are assigning. Means a plus a multiply equal 5. If I write it down, then the statement is as good as a equal to a into 5. Okay, this is the thing here. Then similarly divide and assign is there. Okay, and modulo and assign is there. Okay, definitely these particular things are there. Okay. Yes, Rishi, I'll teach you macros. I'll teach you everything as soon as they will be coming in the content. Okay, in the content course content, I'll be teaching you all regarding macros. Okay, but we'll go stepwise. Okay, let the basics come first. After that we will deal with your advanced topics, including your macros as well as your computation complexity. These all topics are important, but we'll go stepwise. Okay. Yeah, I'll teach you. Okay. Rather than that, I'll prepare a separate slide that would be very good for you. Okay. I'll teach you in the next class. Okay. Because in this present session, I have to teach you a lot of things, typecasting also, and 2 3 programs also I have kept. Okay. So rather than that, I'll keep it for the next session. Okay, Rishi? Yes, let us move forward. Comparison operators. These
Okay,
were
fine, sir.
just a second. Yeah. Comparison operators are there. They are used to compare values and return a Boolean result. Equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. These are there. Whatever is the meaning, that is the same meaning which is there in the mathematics. Then logical operators are there. Logical and is there. Logical or is there. Logical not is there. Okay. Then bitwise operators are there. That bitwise and is there. Or is there. XOR is there. Not is there. Left shift is there. Right shift is there. All these operations I already explained in my previous week. Okay. Do revisit it. And if you feel that something is difficult, then please do ask. Okay. Then ternary operator is there. Okay, this one only we just discussed what is the meaning of your ternary operator or your conditional operator. Okay. Then special operators are there like address of, okay, this ampersand. Then your dereference is there. Then size of is there. Then comma is there. Then type is there. Okay, these all are special operators. What is the meaning, how they are used, we'll just see them stepwise, one at a time, as they'll be coming in the sessions. Okay, we will see what is the meaning, what is the usage, but what are the different types of operators, that is enlisted here for your own reference. Okay, let us move forward. Okay, yeah, we are not having that much time. Okay, moving forward, if you are having any difficulty, then please do ask. Okay, yeah, this is the question. A question or a program has been written here. Hash include stdio.h int main, then float I equal to minus 3.0, then int k equal to I mod 2, then printf, then percent %d or percent %d. After that k is written, then return 0 is written, and what is the output that you have to answer. Good. Yeah, a lot of people are answering it as A, and some are answering as D. Okay, good. Have I said it? D is the correct answer? First of all, let me say, okay. Then I'll explain you what is correct option. First of all, you try, okay. After that, we'll see which is correct, which is not correct. In great detail, we'll see, okay. Be with me. There should be percent F instead of percent D. Good, very good, very nice. Change the question itself. Don't go with the question. We will change the question and then we will create our own answers. Good, very good. You are proceeding in very good direction. In the examination, do the same and all the very best. Bhai, I have put a question in front of you. Do feel confident that the teacher will be correct only. Okay, he has framed a question, so he is knowing some more information as compared to us. So he'll be posting a correct question. Okay, this is assumption. Okay, question if it is wrong, I'll definitely tell you. Okay, no problem, Aman. No problem. If it had been an offline class, then you would have felt more interested. But no problem, online classes can also be made interesting. That is why sometimes I say these things. I know that you are confused whether it should be percent D or percent F, but be with the question. That is what my advice is. Okay, good. Some are saying A, some are saying D. Good. And some are saying nothing. Whomsoever are saying nothing, please say something. Yes, Manyam, definitely you are correct. It has to be percent D because K is integer, therefore it will be percent D. Okay. Just for creating your interest and joking, I was saying changing the question, but definitely it would be percent D. Okay, good. What is the reason of compilation error? We will see. Okay, whether it is percent D, whether it is K, modulo cannot be performed on the float. Okay, good. Somewhat correct. A lot of people are there. Why do answer it? I am giving you 2 more minutes, and I think only 20 people have answered. 20 or 30 people. 20 to 30. That is the number. Do answer it, bhai. Okay. Okay. Do answer it. I am giving you 1 more minute. Please do answer it. Okay, answer it, bhai. Yeah, modulo on float will give the compilation error. Good, very good. Okay, good. So this will throw a compilation error. D is correct, and whomsoever have answered it D, they are definitely correct, and whomsoever answered it A, you need some more practice. Okay, practice with the lectures as well as the notes. Okay, you need some what more practice. That is why what my sincere advice is you to you guys. Okay, just a second. Yeah. This was your code. Hash include stdio.h. Int main was there. Float I equal to minus 3.0 is there. Then int k equal to I mod 2. Then your entire code was there. Yeah, you have to understand that modulo will give the remainder of an integer division. This is important. I'll highlight it. Modulo operator will give the remainder of an integer division. Okay, it will only give your output in case of your integer division. Okay, in case of your integer division only, the modulo operator will give the answer. Okay, this is the thing here. You have to just understand it. Yeah, I'll demonstrate it using the compiler. Okay, otherwise online compilers are available. You can just write down this code and you can see yourself that compilation error is there. Otherwise I'll do it, no problem. Okay, integer operands, the modulo operator is primarily designed for integer operands. Okay, so applying it to a floating point number is undefined behavior according to the C standard. Okay, undefined behavior means you cannot directly do this. Okay, similarly for your float, for your double, for your long double. Okay, for these three particular operators. Okay, directly using mod will won't work. You have to use a function which is fmod. Fmod is there. Okay, you can use it if you want to have a modulus or the remainder from the division with uh, these particular numbers. Okay, or these particular variables. This is the function fmod, and the library is math.h. Okay, this is the thing here. So when using the percent operator with floating point numbers in C, the result is undefined behavior according to the C standard. This means the behavior of this code will be dependent on the specific compiler and operating system, and most of the compilers will throw error. Okay, and regarding the demonstration, please do copy the code and try to practice it down using any of the online compiler. It is only 5 line code. Okay, you yourself will see that it will throw error, but when you will include this particular library and you will use the syntax of fmod, then you will definitely get it correctly. Okay, syntax is very simple. Fmod, and then you have to put the two numbers. Okay, then compiler dependent, yes, some compilers might throw error, some compilers might not throw error, definitely. No portable outcome, yes, there is no single guaranteed outcome. Yeah, definitely mod operator works with, does not works with float operands. Okay, and this is an undefined behavior. Okay, and the entire explanation is there. Float I has been initialized, then k mod 2 is the modulo operation. There is no guaranteed output. Some compilers might give output, some might not give, but Definitely it is undefined behavior or compiler dependent. Okay. So option D would be correct, compiler error. Okay. Now you see this sometimes in options undefined behavior is written, but we don't realize that this means exactly the same as a compiler error, or the rules for the performing this particular operation have not been defined. Okay, so this all the statements mean the exactly same, and that is the one statement only, that is the compiler error. Okay, the all these statements, all three statements are there: undefined behavior, compiler dependent, or compilation error. These all are same. So in the examination, if you are given an option undefined behavior, then don't say that that cannot be true. Undefined behavior means these rules have not been yet laid out. That is the only meaning. When rules will be laid out, then afterwards you can use this particular operation. Okay, this is the thing here. It's crucial to remember that while many compilers might let you, yeah, compile such code, okay, and produce some kind of output, but C standard does not specify that what will happen in this particular situation. Then using uh, floating point type undefined and relying, this is a bad practice, and it will give you error. And still here also you can find the description of fmod. Okay, this particular function is there. Library is math.h. Okay, and definitely this will give you the output. Okay, when you want to divide float with a integer. Okay, fmod library you have to use. Next question: find the output of the following C code, and your percent symbol indicates modulo operation which results in the remainder of the division operation. Okay, then carry out this. Okay, int main, then int a equal to 10, b equal to 3, c equal to 2, d equal to 4, then result, and result is something, and then you are printing the result. Okay, try it out. Okay, if you are able to get it correctly, this means you have understood the operator precedence. This is the concept which is getting applied here. Okay, operator precedence is the concept. Let us go with it. Try to give your opinions. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule that you are correct in the very first attempt. I know it is a bit tricky. It will take time. I'll give you 1 more minute. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Definitely. You have made the brackets correctly, Srinivas. Good. Yeah. This is how you all have to approach. You have to make brackets and then carry out the operation. Okay. Think like a compiler. That is the only thing. Yeah. The right option is indeed 15. I'll not take much time. This is the operator precedence table. Here you can see that division, multiplication, modulus, the associativities from left to right, and precedence is 3, level 3. And then your uh, addition and subtraction are below that, okay, and associativities from left to right, okay. So I'm just giving you the hint, okay. First of all, see here what are the different operations in this particular line. Result equal to a, and this whole operation is getting carried out, okay. So minus b becomes minus 3, then multiplication division is there, then modulo is there, then multiplication is there, then addition is there. Okay. The result was a in a plus a, multiplication minus b, division c mod d plus c multiplied by d. So putting all the values, 10 plus 10 into minus 3 means multiplication minus 3, division 2 mod 4, then plus 2 into 4, okay, and I'll make the brackets left to right, okay. So left to right scanning will follow, okay. This is the thing here. So division, multiplication and modulus, all our operators are having the same precedence, so we will carry out from left to right. Whichever the operation will come first, we will do first. Whichever operation will come at afterwards, we'll do it afterwards, okay. So first bracket I'll make with 10 into minus 3. Why I have left this plus? Because plus is having lower precedence than all these three. That is multiplication, division, and your modulus. Okay. So 10 into minus 3 is minus 30. After that, division is there, then 2 is there, then mod 4 is there. Okay. So afterwards, if you will do this particular operation, 10 plus minus 30 by 2. So minus 30 by 2 is minus 15. Okay. So then you'll come to this particular step. Okay. Here you can see it. Here my pen went. Just a second. I'll leave this particular mode. Yeah. Yeah. Here is my pen. You will reach this particular step. Okay. 10 plus minus 15 mod 4 plus 8. After that, plus and minus is there. Okay. Concentrate on this particular step afterwards. So don't think so that how, sir, I'll evaluate minus 15 mod 4. No, it will be evaluated as 15 mod 4. Why? Because plus and minus both are having lower precedence than the modulus operator. So I'll create this particular bracket first, 15 mod 4. This particular bracket I'll create first, then I'll do whatever I have to do with plus minus. Okay. This is the left to right scanning rule. So 15 mod 4, what you will get? 3. And after, because there is a minus after bracket, so I'll write it down as plus minus 3. Okay. So afterwards, the operation will be 10 plus minus 3 plus 8. Okay. So now the all in this particular line, all the operators, okay, they have been sorted out. Okay. And now these particular operators are at the same level of precedence. Okay. So then we will evaluate this particular statement, 10 plus minus 3 plus 8. Okay. So 10 plus minus 3, what you will get? 10 minus 3, that is 7. And 7 plus 8, you will get it as 15. So answer will be 15. Okay. This is the thing here, and how I have evaluated the entire thing I have given you in this particular detailed explanation. If still something confusion is there after the class, I'll upload the slide, I'll upload the recordings. Okay. Do revisit it. Okay. Let's move forward. What is the output of the following C code? Try to do answer it. Okay. Try to answer it. Code is written and 4 options are there. Read for yourself. Try to answer it. Manyam, every day is not Sunday. Similarly, answer to every question is not compilation error. Okay. Where data type is not specified, bhai. Which data type you want to specify? Tell me. I'll specify it for you. Good, good. My request to you is whenever I'm posting a question in front of you, take few minutes time, okay? I give you enough time, but still you don't try to commit mistake. That is my sincere advice to you all, okay? First of all, read the question. Question wants to say something and you don't want to hear. You want to give your option as if you have to catch some train. You don't catch the train. Read the question carefully. I'm still telling you, if you are not careful, very easily you will commit mistake. And you will lose the marks which you could have gained it very easily. Okay. So this is there with computer science. Magic is there. Okay. I cannot help you out in this regard. Okay. Good. Try to answer it. Try not to answer it incorrectly. Bhai, Aman, why are you jumping the tree? Jumping the line? Rolly, can you explain why D is correct? Yeah, I can explain you, and I don't know what you mean by Rolly. I can explain you why an option is correct, but I haven't spoken. Let everyone answer first, then I'll speak. Okay. Whether it will be compilation error, whether it will be your C option 4 or whatever you are answering, answer it. Okay. Wait for some time. Let everyone answer, then I'll explain you. Okay. No, no, no. Sorry. No problem. You are interactive. That is enough for me. Okay. Keep interacting. No problem is there. Even you can unmute yourself and answer it. Okay. And what do you mean by Rolly? If you can explain, then it is good. Otherwise, I'll keep thinking on it. H, comma B, then question mark, question mark. Okay. Same, write it down in your code also. Int H, comma B, and after that write down question mark, question mark. By H is 8 and B is the value which will get assigned. After that, B is getting print. Okay. I meant the step. Okay, whatever you want to mean, either you mean it fully. Okay, explain your problem. Otherwise, let me speak first. Okay, let me speak first, and whatsoever doubt you are having, we'll see to it. It's option D because the value assigned is not parenthesis. No, sorry, bhai. Don't say sorry or anything like that. You shouldn't be sorry to ask question. Okay. You should ask question, get yourself cleared. That is the only purpose. Okay. You should only say sorry if you are doing something which is not expected from you. Okay. You are asking doubt. That it means 100% it is true. Okay. It's your route. It's your right. Yeah. Yes. Okay. For mistake. Good. Feel sorry for yourself. Don't feel sorry to me. Okay. Yes. Anybody left? Whomsoever want to answer, please do answer. Give your opinions. Do be interactive. Okay, it will give error. Okay, Gunjan is saying because value is not in the parenthesis. She wants some parenthesis, but parenthesis is not there. So how can I include parenthesis? This is not mathematics. In compiler, when the operation is getting carried out, then the entire parenthesis and everything is just ignored. So in the similar manner, I have written here. Okay. In previous question also, I didn't use any parenthesis. If you are aware enough. So it is different to mathematics. Okay, please try to understand. Okay, since it is different from mathematics, I cannot use parenthesis every times. And just for your explanation, I cannot just include parenthesis. Apply parenthesis in your brain, do some rough work in the examination, and then give the correct option. That is the methodology. Okay, write the question number, and then you just do some parenthesis and whatever you want to do, and then give the correct option in the examination. Okay, good. Okay, let's move forward. We should not run beyond time. Okay. Whomsoever answered it for, they are correct, and whomsoever have answered it in their manner, I cannot say anything to you. Okay. Yes. Let us evaluate this particular statement, breaking the entire thing step by step. Okay. Let us go step by step. This one was the code hash include stdio.h, then int main was written, then int h equal to 8 was written, then b and the statement was there. Then D is getting printed or B is getting printed, and then because it's integer main, okay, so it should return an integer. So that is why I have written here return 0. Okay. So now your syntax goes condition, then question mark or expression 1, then expression 2 if the condition is true, okay, or it is non-zero value other than 0, then the output is expression 1, else the output is expression 2. That is what is written here in the logic. Okay, this is the logic which is getting which is there. So now we will try to evaluate everything step by step. Okay, so h is initialized to 8. Yes, it is true. When we'll require h, we'll replace it with value 8. Okay, so let us evaluate this. 4 into 6 plus 3 into 4. So associativity tells us to make brackets. Okay. So multiplication, division, modulo is above. Addition. So 4 into 6 will be evaluated first. It is 24. Then plus 3 into 4. Similarly, left to right scanning I am following. Plus is there, but it is having lower precedence as compared to multiplication. So 4 into 3 is your 12 and 24. Okay. Then 24 plus 3 into 4. Okay. 3 into 4 I have evaluated first. Why? Because associativity is from left to right. Okay. So what is the expression value? It is 24 plus 12. So then your answer is 36. Okay. Your answer goes as 36. Okay. First part. Then the question is 36, then less than h into 5. H into 5. H is 8. 8 into 5 is 40. So 36 less than 40. This is the your condition. So is it true? Yes, it is true. That means now expression 1 will be executed. Okay. So what is expression 1? Expression 1 is 4. Expression 2 was 3. So since my condition became true, so my expression 1 got evaluated. Hence it means b equal to 4. Okay. So if b is 4, b is an integer. Hence my printf statement will be executed. %d I have already written and b I have written. So expression is good. So b will be printed and it will be 4. Okay. Hence the correct option is 4. Now I'll read it down what queries you are having. Sir, can you please explain in detail about the difference between associativity and precedence? Okay, good. I'll just explain you in single line and you will be getting everything. Okay, be cautious about what I am speaking. Okay, see, when when you are evaluating an expression, for example, 4 into 6 plus 3 into 4, okay, in simple language, precedence means which operator you have to choose first, or which operation you have to carry out first, okay. So that particular order I have given you in the table, okay. In many questions I have repeated after the session, please do revisit the table. Now associativity means how I have to apply bracket in simple terms. That is the only thing. So in case of same precedence means division is there, multiplication and modulo are there. So how, where, in which order I'll apply bracket. So if it is having two types, there are only two types of associativities. Either it is from left to right or it is from right to left. So associativity, if it is from left to right, like in case of your multiplication, division, and your modulo, so I'll ignore all the other operators and I'll evaluate the entire expression by putting brackets in left to right order. That is the only thing. And how these two operations are simultaneously getting carried out, I just explained you. Okay, in this particular expression, 4 into 6 plus 3 into 4. Okay, if you still have any doubt, then please do revisit my previous lectures explained in great detail. Okay, yes, I will read it down from the starting, yeah, of the question. Good. Sir, can't understand this type of questions. What I will do, you should visit all the lectures by Professor Anupam Basu. You should try to solve the assignments. Come in this particular practice sessions. Two sessions are getting held. Okay. So you will be gradually able to understand each and everything. That is what I can say. Okay. Yeah. You must have understood. I think compilation error won't be there. Okay. Gunjan, you must have understood that why this is not option D. Okay. Sir, after solving 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4 is less than 8 into 5, then yeah, definitely you are correct. Okay, Devashri, good. If you answered it 4, it is correct. Mukesh, I have answered your query. Then Aman comes. Sir, if the condition would be false, then answer would be 3. Definitely, Aman Kumar, you are very correct in saying so. Okay. I am happy that you are saying it correctly. If the condition is false, then it will print false value like 4 into 3. It will print 3. It will print 3. Okay. This true and false and entire thing is just for us, for our own understanding. Okay. The answer is 4. I have compiled the program right now, sir, and output, sir, and get output, sir. Very good. Very nice. Very good, Rishi. Let us move forward and look at our this particular question. I think everybody has understood. Whom have not understood, please do revisit my previous lectures. Okay. As well as try to compile just like Rishi has done. Okay. Good. Still, if you are having any doubt, then I am here. Okay. Don't feel lonely. Okay. Yeah. This particular question is there. Hash include some code is written and it is being asked, sir, what would be the answer? I did the same after sir told I it wasn't a compiler error. Okay. In previous question, I think you are not getting a compiler error. I can understand depends on the type of compiler. Okay. But rules are not laid out in C. That is why I told you it is undefined. Okay. The expression would not be correct, whichever you are getting. Okay. Still some confusion is there. I'll compile and give you the correct output in the next lecture. Okay, Manyam. I know C program to write, sir. Good. Each and every one of us should just try practicing, okay, C programs. It is nothing, just you have to use your keyboard. Even in your phone also, you can just type it down. Online compilers are there. They will give you output immediately. These are single page codes only. In your entire semester, you would be just limiting yourself to your single page codes only. So do practice. See whichever is the correct option, whether I am getting what what the correct option I am telling, whether you are getting, we are not getting. Okay. Like for example, here Manyam is telling that he's not getting compilation error because it depends on the type of compiler. Compiler already has eliminated, he has done something, that entire thing already I have explained you. Okay. Yeah. Okay, answer is B. Lot of students are saying B. Whomsoever are not saying anything, please don't be silent. Participate in the discussion. Good. You like programming languages. Very good. Great for your future also. Good. Very nice. Online GBD and program is. Yeah, I also use this particular compiler. Program is. Definitely it is correct. Good. Very good. I am happy that you like programming languages and you are saying it be good. What does end do? I'll just explain you in a minute. Till that point of time, be with me. Okay. Okay. Let us see. Whomsoever answered it B. Good. Whomsoever are not answering, I don't know why you are not answering. If you are getting everything, it is fine. If you are getting not getting anything, that is not fine. Okay. In this, if 0 and 0 answer 0 and 1 equal to 0, 1 and 0 equal to 0, 1 and 1 equal to 1. Very good. Very nice. Let me just see 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Yeah, good. I think you want to say the you want to tell the truth table. Good. That is what I am understanding from this expression which you have mentioned. Amla Fatima. Good. Very good. Whatever expression you have written, it is good. I was just reading it down as if it is a poem, but still it is correct. Good. Very good. Good. Let us move forward. Yeah. So the correct option is B. Good. Okay. Whomsoever answered it B, it is good. Okay. Great. I think all the students whomsoever answered for the very first time the correct option they have given as B. उस इधर ले Okay. So the correct option would be at least one is false. Okay. Good. Just a second. Yeah. Let us analyze this particular C code, determine its output, and see what would be the correct option. Okay. This entire code I have written hash include stdio.h, then int x equal to 1, y equal to 0. If x and y, then print this, else print that, return 0. Okay. So this particular expression is your logical end, Boolean end. I told you Boolean end means both the statements have to be true in order to give the output as true. Anything which is non-zero is true. Anything which is zero is false. That is the only thing you have to remember. The truth table already I have given you. The operator returns one. Only both the operands are true. Otherwise, it will return zero in every other case. And in this particular Boolean AND operation, there is a particular term which is known as short circuiting. Short circuiting means in case of your logical AND, if two statements are there. S1, after that and operator or ampersand operator is there, two times ampersand operator is there, and then S2 is there. If S1 itself is false, then the compiler will not evaluate S2. It will say that the entire statement is false and it will return 0. That is the only thing. In C, logical AND exhibits short circuiting behavior. This means that first operand is false, second operand is not evaluated. Please do remember it. Result is immediately known to be false. Okay. So now you see X is initialized to 1. Okay. Y is initialized to 0. And X and Y. That particular operation will be evaluated because it is inside bracket. If then bracket is there, X and then Y. Okay. Since X is true, non-zero, so now your other part will be evaluated, and now Y is 0, means 0 is false. So the answer or the if part solution or the if part statement will be returning your 0. So hence the after this the entire code block will switch to else statement, because first statement which was there after if s1 else s2, means s1 will not be evaluated because if statement is has become false. So else statement will be executed and it is saying at least one is false, so hence your answer will be at least one is false. Okay. If had it been written that if x or y, in that particular case your output would have been both are true, because in or logical operation, if any of the statement is true, then it will return true. Okay, that is the difference here. So the entire thing whichever I have spoken, okay, that is written here. I hope that you are clear. Still, if some confusion is there, then please read it from here. Okay. Yeah. Sir, when Boolean value is 0 and when it is 1, I told you false means 0 and everything other than 0 is true. That is the only thing you have to keep in mind. Okay. Sir, if 0 is treated as false and 1 is treated as true in Boolean, then what about the other numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0? See, after any digit is there and 0 is written, so it is a number. It is other than 0. 10 or 100 or 1000, 1 lakh, everything else except 0 is true. That only you have to remember. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 is 2 only. Okay. That is the only thing. And true means it will return as 1 only. Okay. We will see in our typecasting examples. Okay. Yeah, okay. Rishi, very good. You have compiled this program and you have got the output. Very good. Okay. Okay, everyone. Let us move forward. Okay. You will get a more clarity. Let me just keep on giving you examples. And after that, you just try to revise. You will get more clear. Okay. Still, I have answered your query. Let us move forward. What will be the output of this particular C code? I know that in these type of questions only I can just trap you. This is a trap. This is not a question. This is a trap. This is a trap for only those people who have not listened the things carefully. Rest of the people they can answer it, okay, correctly. But many of the students will get trapped also, okay, because they are in a hurry to answer. I don't know why you are in a hurry. I cannot just see any possibility of hurry. Please don't be in a hurry. About this question, I really feel sorry if you cannot answer it correctly, because everything is very, very easy here. Mixed responses there from the students. Good. C, compilation error. Good. A, X is 5. Good. B is also there. X is not 5. Answer is A. At least one is false, sir. Last program answer. Good, good, good. Very good. I think I answered it correctly, right? Yeah, good. I myself want to see the answer. Yeah, good. X is 5. X is not 5. The answer is at least okay, okay. Yeah, X is 5. X is not 5. C, B. This is not equal to operator. This is assignment operator. Okay. Now you are opening eyes of everybody. Whomsoever answered it incorrectly, please see the question 10, 15 times before answering. Okay. Rishi, what is the correct option of this particular question before compilation only? Please tell me. Regarding this question only, okay? Previous ones we can leave. I am waiting for your response, then we'll move forward. Okay. Good. Very good. Good. Nadim, very good. What is the correct option according to Nadim? Please do tell me. Yeah, he has answered B. Good. Very good. Known the logic? Yeah. Assignment operator is used in if conditions, so else block. Yeah, very good. Very nice. Thinking and overthinking, two statements are there. Please don't overthink. Think before you ink, but don't overthink. Sometimes you are telling me that our code is wrong. Bhai, please do have some faith there. That code is correct. Okay. Think, but don't overthink. Okay, Nadim. You will think. We will think, but we will not overthink in the examination. 10, 15 times we are just ahead of the teacher. Means we have completed entire degrees and everything in computer science, and then we are telling, this should not happen. Okay. Think, but don't overthink. Okay. Sincere advice to you guys. All the guys. Non-zero value is considered as true. So if block is executed, non-zero value is considered true. So if block is executed. Okay. Very good. Very good, Priyanka. What is the option according to you? Yeah, Rishi is saying B. I am very astonished to see that Rishi is such fast forward, but he is answering something else, which I was not expecting. Yeah, Priyanka, according to you, what is the option? Good, good, very good. Priyanka Swami, maybe she is correct. Yeah, Roli Kushwaha. The condition checks whether x is equal to 5. Since 10 is not equal to 5, the condition evaluates to false. B is correct. Roli Kushwaha, I genuinely feel that I can trap you in any question because whatever is written, and you are thinking whatever is not written is by mistake. By mistakes don't happen in questions. Please try to have some faith on me, okay? Muhammad Raja Khan. So it means, sir, if we print x value, it will be 5. We will see what output will be, okay? Sir, that is equal, but 2, but not equal to. That is answer is A. Good. Omnicom, very good. Any value except 0 is true. Good. Yes, Roli Kushwaha, please think, but don't overthink. And rule number 1 for you all. Question is correct. Don't blame the question. Okay. Answer according to question. Don't frame your question and write the answer. Okay. Rule number 1. Okay. Yeah, have some faith in the question paper setter. Okay. Even if I am posting some question, then have some faith in me. If you are getting some question from the NPTEL team in your actual examination, have some faith, okay, in the question paper setter, okay, and don't create your question and try to answer it. This is rule number one for you all, okay. See what question is saying and answer accordingly. Don't create your question and see if this is not written, but I will think this is written, okay. Plus is not written, but inside my brain plus is written, okay. Good. The answer is X is sir, 5, sir. So why did you answer it incorrectly, Rishi? Please do tell me. Why did you answer it incorrectly in the very first attempt? See, sincere advice to you guys. Nobody will tell you this. Don't be in any hallucination in the examination. Whatever is written, that only has to be evaluated. Whatever is not written, that has not to be incorporated in the question and not answered according to you. Okay. I have seen some people. I have evaluated some questions. Okay, in our examinations also, what people do if it is a subjective type of question, they will just copy the entire question and they will frame their own question afterwards, and then they will answer. So here things are not happening. Okay, good. After compilation, if you you are telling me what is the correct option, then how you are going to be a programmer, Rishi? Please help yourself. Okay, don't go with the compilation. Okay, I have evaluated the expression and I am telling you. Okay, in the examination you won't be getting a compiler. Otherwise, everybody will get 100%. And what is the entire point of having examination? Okay. Yeah, not giving much lectures. This is the end of it. It is x equal to 5. X is 5. Okay. Because a lot of students I have seen, they are having a bit confusion in equal to and equal to equal to. Equal to will check the condition. This particular statement will evaluate the both the sides of S1 and S2, and it will see whether S1 is equal to S2. If I will write it as S1 equal to S2, then the entire value of S2 will be transferred to S1. This is what I taught you. Okay. So here let us see the entire block of code. Hash include stdio.h, int main is there, int x equal to 10 is there, and if x equal to 5, that is what I have written. Means now what happened? Yeah, just a second. Now this value which is 5 is transferred to your x. So what is the output? If x, that condition will be checked, and x is 5. So 5 is non-zero. Condition becomes true. Entire thing is this, x is 5, and after that a new line will be print, question over. Okay. If the question was in the question, it was written if x equal to 5. Okay. Then your option is x is not 5. Here it is written x equal to 5. Entire thing is that it is not checking, it is getting evaluated. It is not getting evaluated. That is the thing here. Okay. It is getting assigned. It is getting assigned a value of 5, and 5 is greater. It is non-zero. Hence the condition becomes true. Then after this, after if condition, whatever the statement is, it is getting as it is evaluated. Hence your option is x is 5. Okay. No doubt in this question. Okay. Entire explanation, reasonable explanation I have written here. Assignment operator is there, equal to operator is assignment operator. Okay, and bracket you have to make from left to side. Associativity rule is there. Okay, as an expression how it is getting evaluated, then boolean context if is there. Okay, if condition, the expression is evaluated as a boolean. Any non-zero value is considered true while 0 is false. Okay, x is initialized to 10, x equal to 5 is executed, 5 becomes x, then 5 is true because it is non-zero, then if block is executed, then printf statement is executed, and it is written x is 5. Can you override the value? Of course, at any point of time I can overwrite any variable value. That is why the name is variable. I can change the value of the variable, but at any point of time I may not be able to change a constant. Constants are defined at the start of the program, and the entire thing is you have to use the preprocessor directive hash define, and then afterwards you can write the name of variable, for example pi equal to 3.14. If that is the case, then the value of pi will not be changed in the program because it is a constant. Okay, and the value of variable can be any time changed in the program. Okay, let us go to the next question. Please do answer the questions carefully. Don't be in a hurry and don't overthink. Just think and answer it correctly. Okay. Hash include stdio.h, and the main is there, A is 10, B is 5, then the statement is there, and the options are there. Answer it. Good. Okay. Some people are saying A, some people are saying D. Some people will say that please make bracket. Although there is no role of bracket in the compilation, that is why in C language we don't often write quotes and brackets. Okay, that is the thing. Good, take your time, keep on answering. Take your time as well as keep on answering. Okay, then we will see what is the correct option. Nitish, tell me the option. A, B is greater. Okay, A, B is greater. That is not an option. Sir, why backslash n is not considered in option D? Okay, the compiler out after that no statement is there, right? That is why that is not considered. How I will create a line na, after D? So that is why new line I haven't added it, but you will see it in the compiler screen. That is why you should evaluate the codes, okay, yourself. Then you will realize. Good. Okay, let us move forward. Okay, good. Whomsoever have answered D, good. Whomsoever are answering B, all the best. And whomsoever have answered it A, they also need some brushing. Okay, good. The correct option is D. B is positive, A is greater than B. C for yourself here. Okay, int main is there after the library has been declared. A is 10, B is 5. Statement has been written if A is greater than B. Okay, if 10 is greater than 5. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. It is true. Then we'll go to the next block of the code. If b is greater than 0, if 5 is greater than 0, definitely 100% it is true. So both if statements are true, so the code will print b is positive. Then there will be new line. Okay, you were telling me that why, sir? Here new line is not there. Good. Here will be a new line. There is a typo from my side. I genuinely apologize. There will be a new line. Okay, no problem. There is a new line here. Dash I have written. Okay, it's new line only. Else, printf b is non-positive. Code will not code. This particular code block will not be executed. Else statement will not be executed. Okay, this is not executed. Now it comes here at this particular place. Yes, this will be printed a is greater than b. Okay, this is out of this particular two ifs and else statement. Okay, so your correct option would be b is positive, a is greater than b. Final output this one. And yes, there will be a new line. Definitely there will be a new line when you will execute the code. Your query was 100% true, whomsoever was asking. Okay, Srinivas. uh, it, the output would be just like this: b is positive, the new line would be there, then it would be written a is greater than b. Okay, yeah, this is the entire explanation written for you guys. Okay, code analysis is there, then nested if statement is there, then whatever the association is there. Okay, so role of indentation is there for humans only, okay, for us to understand the piece of code. But in case of the compiler, indentation does not play much role. Okay, that is the thing here. So a is 10, b is 5, then if condition is there, okay, which is 10 greater than 5, which is true. Okay, if b is greater than 0, this is also true. So next statement will be printed that b is positive. Definitely it is executed, b is positive following the new line. Okay. So after that, another statement was a is greater than b. This is out of these two ifs and else. Okay. So this will be printed irrespective whatever is the answer. Okay. And this is the reasonable detailed explanation. Whatever I have spoken just now, okay, that is written here. Yeah. What will happen if first if condition is false? Okay, good. Yeah, just now you compiled the program and got the output. Definitely very good, Rishi. Okay, I hope that you have answered it in the first place correctly. Okay, let me just see. You have not answered it prior to compiling. Please do answer, Rishi, because in the examination you won't be getting compiler. Okay, so please do answer the question. Okay, then you just see. Then you just say, okay, whatever is the output after compilation you are getting. Okay, so in order to explain you, here is the particular example I have written in front of you. Okay, see here, I have changed the code if a is less than b, if b is greater than 0. See here, same example, nothing, just a symbol I have changed. There it was written a is greater than b, here I have written a is less than b. So if a is less than b means 10 less than 5. No, this is not true. Hence, this particular statement, okay, this one, this becomes false. Then short circuiting is there. So this all these statements above below these particular statement will not be evaluated. Then the code will jump into here. Okay, and directly it would be printed a is greater than b. Okay, in order to just explain you, I have myself compiled the code, changed just a symbol, and this is the output. Okay, for your better understanding. So this is the thing here. Let us move forward to our ninth question. Good. Okay, Nadim, very good. If you have got it, good. Try to answer this particular question, everyone. Rishi, you also first of all answer it, then compile it. Okay. In your free time, also you can do the compilation part. No problem. I am happy that you show some interest. How would we get to know the statement A is greater than B not included in the else block? Yeah, good, very good. You will get an idea in the nested statements only if you will follow the logic, because bracketing is not present. So try to follow the logic. In this particular example, if a statement was there, okay, after that another if statement is was there, no ternary operator was there, means this particular if will be under that particular if, okay. Then some condition was written, then an expression was written, else and another expression was written, and after that terminator was there. So this is how you get it, means two ifs is there, and the second half, the second if is having an else statement, the first if is not having an else statement, okay. With practice only you will be able to understand that how the entire flow is there, okay. There is no hard and fast rule, okay. Meantime we'll practice more and more, then you will definitely get it. And that particular statement which was after else, that is under that if, and after that the statement is not under any of the ifs, okay. This was the flow. You will get it with practice only, okay. Good, very good, very nice. This is a easy question. Nobody should try to get it wrong by themselves, okay. Yeah. The correct option is definitely C, x equal to y equal to z equal to 8. I already told you what is the flow. What is the value at the right will be transferred to the variable at left, okay, which is there at left, okay. So in this particular expression, since there in equal to operator, we follow right to left associativity, means bracketing will take place from right to left, okay. So first of all, z equal to 8 will be the evaluated, means 8 will be z, value of z will become 8. Then y equal to z means y equal to 8, then x will become equal to y, that is also 8. So entire values x equal to y equal to z will be 8. Rest of the options, they are definitely incorrect, because z in this, because it will be right to left associative. Already I have told you, I showed you the table also, okay. From that you can get an idea, okay. So here z has not been initialized, that means it would be taken gigo, garbage in garbage out. So any of the value it will accommodate. So that particular value will be transferred to 8, transferred to y, then it will be transferred to x. But when it comes to 8, 8 is a constant, so value of that particular 8, this particular thing cannot be changed and it will show error, okay. Similarly this particular statement, and the correct option would be C only, okay. Yeah, just a second, it is getting saved. Yeah, let's move forward. Last question for the day. Hash include stdio.h, int main is there, int x is there, then x equal to 9 less than 5 plus 3, and then x, printf x, percent %d is also written, and then return 0 is written, okay. Good. Try to answer it. Good, very good, very nice. Omnicom, please do see the question, what the question wants to say. Multiple times I have solved questions in front of you, okay. You should see, think, then you answer. In two ways you will get the answer incorrect. Either you are overthinking or you are underthinking. In this particular case, please try to think as much as it required, okay. Good, option A is correct, okay. Good, all the best also if option A is correct. Good, very good. Option B is correct according to Mukesh. Good. All the best to you also. In AND operator, one statement is false, then output is false. Good. Very good, Krishna Jaswal. Very nice. Then what is the option correct according to you? Okay, you have written A. Good. Very good. Sir, answer B is correct. Okay, now you change opinion. Sometimes you can also say C is correct. Bhai, what is whether C is not looking good? C is also looking good. Okay. D is also good. It is having more number of characters. Okay. So think before you mark the final option. Okay. I don't know whether it is OMR type or it is online type. Most probably it is OMR type only. Okay. The entire pattern and what would be the percentage of theory and objective questions. This all the questions you please try to ask the NPTEL team. Okay. Then practice accordingly. 3 and then 7 equal to 1. Wow. Very nice. I am mesmerized by the evaluation. Don't have any words. 3 and then 7. Wow. 3 and 7 is 1. 9 less than 5 plus what you got? 1. 5 plus 1. So still statement would be false. Omnicom. According to your theory also. Okay. Omnicom, please see to it. Good. 9 less than 0 equal to 0. Good. Okay, not wasting much time on it. I'm telling you the correct option is 0 only. Okay, whomsoever answered it 0, they are correct. And whomsoever answered it another thing, I am definitely wishing the best for you. Okay, let us analyze the code snippet. Whomsoever are answering it incorrectly, do revisit. At least they should revisit the questions, try to see the explanation, read the explanation multiple times, and then get an idea why the you answered it incorrectly. In the examination, you should answer every question correctly. That is the main purpose of this particular session. Okay. Let us analyze this particular C code snippet, determine the output, paying close attention to operator precedence. Entire code has been written. First of all, plus symbol is there, then less than is there, then end is there, then equal to is there. This is the operator precedence from highest to lowest in the given expression. Okay. This is the thing. So 5 plus 3, first of all, it will be evaluated. Okay. See for yourself in this particular table. Operator precedence table is there. Okay, this particular table was this is there. Okay, in that particular table you try to see whether this is true or not true. Okay, so it is true, I am telling you, of course, because I have written it. So this is the operator precedence. Don't follow any operator precedence according to your will. Follow the table. That is correct. Okay. So first of all, plus statement will be evaluated. 5 plus 3 is evaluated as 8. Then 9 less than 8. Okay. 9 less than 8 is false, of course. And after that, 0 and 7 is there. So 0 and 7. What answer you are going to get? That is 0. Okay. So 0. After that, assignment will be there. So x will be equal to 0. After that, printing x is very easy. So x will be equal to 0. Okay. This is the thing here. And Omnicom, I hope that it is clear to you. Still, if you are having some doubt, follow the operator precedence table and the explanation which I have written in this particular page. Okay. Here. Great. Okay. This is the end of the 10 questions which I wanted to discuss in this particular session. Now I will teach you another topic which is typecasting, which was left in the previous week. Okay. It wasn't left. I started in brief, but you wanted to learn more about it. Likewise, in this upcoming week, I'll take on macros. Okay. Macros in C. Okay. So I'll talk about it in brief. Then we will discuss some programs. Okay. I'll give you some time, maybe 2, 3, 4 minutes to think about the program. If possible, you write them down. Otherwise, I'll show you the program and I'll explain you the question. Yeah, show me previous question. See the previous question. If we replace 9 by 7, then sir, if we replace 9 by 7, okay, good. Mm, then I think x will be printed as 1. You can yourself see what would be the correct option. Okay, try to code it, then try to say it. Okay, yeah. What is typecasting? First of all, I'll explain you. Okay, there are typecasting means converting one variable type to another type. That is the meaning of typecasting. Okay, this can be explicitly done either by the programmer or by the compiler. Explicitly done by the programmer or implicitly done by the compiler. From there onwards, there are two types of uh, typecasting: implicit typecasting as well as explicit typecasting. Okay, implicit typecasting means the compiler automatically converts a variable from a smaller data type to a larger data type. Okay. Okay, Rishi is asking for enabling the mic. Okay, Rishi, tell me what you want to say. Yeah, I'll explain, Arunima. I'll explain you question number 8. Yeah, Rishi, you want to say something? Okay, you talk later. Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem. Let me go with the flow. Okay. Let me just not break the flow for the one person. At the end, we will talk. Okay. So let me go with the flow. Yeah, you were telling about question 8, the last statement corresponding to first if. Yeah, last statement is no, 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 no. You got confused. Last statement, this one, printf a is greater than b. It is not included in any ifs. That is the thing. Okay. This is what I wanted to say. If is there, then another if is there, then printf is there, then else is there. Means this if else, this one. Okay. This one is ended here itself. After that, else is not written. That is why these two statements will be clubbed together. And this is in not in any if. That is why I gave you example that whether it is true, whether it is false, this statement will be printed. B is greater than A is greater than B. Okay. This is the thing. Arunima, go through the slide once more, then you will get a better idea. Okay. Just a thing. Yeah. Where I was. Yeah. Typecasting in C refers to converting a variable from one data type to another. This can be explicitly done by the programmer or implicitly by the compiler. Implicit typecasting means automatic conversion. Okay. Compiler automatically converts a variable of a smaller data type to a larger data type. And no data loss particularly occurs. This happens when mixed data types are used in an expression. Okay. See for here an example has been given to you guys. I will zoom in for you. Int a equal to 10, then float b equal to 2.5, then float result equal to a plus b. A is an integer. Okay, so it is implicitly converted to float. Why? Because float can be only added to a float. Hence, the correct option would be correct answer would be here 10 plus 2.5, that is 12.5. So this is an example of implicit data conversion or implicit typecasting. Okay, was an integer here, b was a float. Float is having higher precision, is automatically converted to float. Okay, then comes your explicit typecasting. Okay, the programmer manually forces a conversion from one data type to another data type using the type syntax. Okay, result may lead to data loss. Okay, means higher here integer was having lower memory allocation, then we converted it to float. So lower to higher memory conversion will not include any of the losses, but higher to lower we will have the losses. Rishi, first of all, you told me to enable the mic. Then I enabled, then you don't want to say anything. Now you are continuously saying, can you provide the material? Bhai, definitely I'll provide it to you. Okay. It is not like that I'll provide it to separately to you anything. Okay. Here is the link. Okay. In that, after the class, the material will be provided to you. Okay. So don't be in hurry. Okay. And don't write the comments 10 or 15 times. Okay. Please be with me. Okay. Have some patience. Now comes the explicit typecasting, manual type conversion. The programmer is manually forcing the conversion from one data type to another using the type syntax. May result in data loss. Okay. Why? Because higher memory allocation was there, and then you switched on to a lower memory allocation, that will definitely result in a data loss. Okay, used when precision control is required, definitely. Then you see, try to see here this particular example, float to int conversion. I In the previous example, the conversion was from int to float. Okay, hash include stdio.h, then int main is there, float pi equal to 3.14159. Okay, then int pi is equal to pi. Okay, so pi here is a float, and then int pi here, int underscore pi is there. This is a valid variable type. Okay, because int underscore pi is there. Int it will show error because int is a reserved keyword. Okay, so int underscore pi, definitely it is correct. Then equal to pi. Okay. So you are trying to convert a float to a integer, that will result in data losses. What it will happen? See here, explanation has been written. Pi is a float. We will explicitly cast into integer. So the decimal part directly it will be truncated. Okay. So the output will be integer, in integer form. It will be 3. Okay. After the class, I'll upload the material in Google Drive. Okay. Because all the annotations and whatever I am saying, that has to be there. Okay. Yes. Then typecasting expressions, avoiding integer. Okay. I think now somebody else is trying to present. Good. Why you don't let me share my screen and let me do the studying part, let me do the teaching part, you do the studying part. Don't try to present your screens. Okay, if you want to become a teacher, then please follow the right path. BTech, then MTech, then PhD, then try to apply for the post position, then become the teacher. Okay, follow the path. Okay, yeah, just saying, yeah. Typecasting and expressions, avoiding integer division here issue. Okay, another example is in your expressions. For example, here x is 5, y is 2, then float result is x upon y. Okay, explicit conversion, means forced conversion is there. Okay, then I am outputting this particular output. Okay, if we don't typecast, 5 by 2 is your integer division, it will return to 2. Okay, but result is a float, hence automatically the values after the division would be stored in the result. Okay, and we are restricting dot 2f is written, that is why up to 2 places it is showing. Okay, so result will be 2.5. This is an example of integer division issue. Okay, will it typecast x? No, result is getting typecasted. The float result, the variable result, which is a float, that is getting typecasted. Means automatic conversion, data conversion is taking place. Typecasting is nothing but data conversion of one type to another type. That is the thing here. Then some key differences I have written here: implicit typecasting and what is the division differences between implicit and explicit typecasting. Implicit is done by compiler, explicit is done by programmer. Data losses are not present in implicit, they are present in explicit. Syntax is automatic. In explicit, you have to provide the syntax. Then integer to float is an example of implicit typecasting. Okay. Then float to integer, that is an explicit typecasting. Then when to use typecasting, it has been written for you guys. Please do see it. Okay. Then very important thing, this will be might be asked in the examination even. Integer x equal to 300, good. Then character y is equal to character x. Okay. Here overflow risk is there. What do you mean by overflow risk? That character is able to hold the values between minus 128 to 127 only. Okay. So 300, that is the value which you provided to your value y. That will might lead to incorrect result. Okay. This is very, very important, and this particular problem you will face in your chapter number 11 or 10, 11, and when pointers will come. Okay. So at that point of time, you have to remember that in character, you can only hold the value till minus 128 to 127, because every character will be ultimately converted to according to ASCII conversion rate and ASCII code. Okay, it allows 0 to 127 characters to be stored. Okay, means numerals, characters like capital A, small a, these all the characters as well as the digits in form of binary encoding. Okay, the ASCII has been provided, and even the negative of it is allowed. So 0 to 127, and in negative direction, it is still minus 128. Okay. So at that point of time, try to remember that this particular feature is there. Okay. Can you use double to store number greater than 128? 100% you can use double to store number greater than 128. Okay. Then see here, for your own understanding, I have built an example myself. Somebody was asking that how typecasting takes place in case of your string data. So for those particular people, for letting them understand, I don't know whether they have joined the session or not, but I have built this particular example. See here, stdio .h standard library is there. Okay, and here I have used character x equal to minus a, means minus I have written, then in single quotes I have written a, and then I have replaced it the variable num with the value of x, then I have printed the num. Okay, so here the output which I am getting is minus 65. This is example of typecasting with string data. Okay, then character to integer conversion. This is another example of your conversion. Same example. Int main is there, character A is there, then ASCII value is just I have written because I have declared ASCII value variable as integer. Okay. So that ultimately ch value will be taken, automatic conversion would be there according to the ASCII value, and capital A is 65, hence your output would be 65. Okay, already explained you. Then you try to see that there are standard tools. Sorry for that. stdlib.h, I shouldn't have included it. I should have included in for these particular examples. Sorry for that. You can remove stdlib.h in that particular example. Just 2 slides before. Okay. Yes. Now coming to these particular standard conversions, ATOI, ASCII to integer, ASCII to float, then string to long, then string to type double. Okay. This particular thing is the full form. This particular standard functions are available. ATOI, this particular function is there. Hash include stdio.h, then hash include stdlib.h. Please do remember this is the standard function which is there for conversion of ASCII to integer. Okay. Then here I have written character string, that a string can include both alphabets and numericals. But when you are using this particular function, then you have to remember that conversion will only take place when your string would be having numericals only. Okay, otherwise the compiler will throw error. This is not what I have decided. This is what this is how ATOI, ATOF, and strtol and strtod function, standard functions work. Okay, So don't keep saying that, sir, why this error is happening. But this is happening because that is a rule. That is how these functions, standard functions, have been created. Okay, I cannot help in that. So here, if you see character string is there and it is entirely numerical, okay, then int num is there, ATOI has been written, then string is there. So then after that, if I am taking the output of num, then you see that the conversion has taken place. Okay. Similarly, ATOF is there, ASCII to float conversion is there. Same thing is there. See for yourself, entire thing, and only thing I have changed is function, ATOF function I have used. Then similar to that, okay, I hope that, yeah, similar to that, another functions is there, strtol, string to long and string to double. That conversion is there. String one is there, string two is there. It has to be numerically, whole numerically. Okay. Then long num is there, then strtol, then conversion is there, then dnum is there, then conversion is there. This is standard syntax. I cannot help in that. Okay. See for yourself, for your own understanding. Then long integer I have printed, and double I have printed, and I have got the entire output. Okay. This is how you can convert string to long and string to double data type. Okay. Then converting numbers to string, yeah, this would also this is also possible. For this particular thing, you have to use a particular function which is printf and then bracket. Okay, this is the example. For example, num is there, which is an integer 1 2 3 4. Then character string str, then 10 is there. Then printf str, then num is there. Okay, then printf, that particular thing has been written, and return 0 has been written. Now you see the output is integer 1 2 3 4 and string 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that directly the conversion has taken place using the standard printf function. But the prior condition, okay, which is required before using is this, that your conversion, the conversion of number can only take place, means your num should not have any character. Okay, this is the thing. Then float to string, yeah, this is another example. Here printf function I have used. Okay, yeah, int main is there, float pi is there, then character string is there, then printf I have used, and I have printed the output similar to previous example. See for yourself. Yeah, you can solve the material for assignment in NPTEL. I don't have any problem. Use my uh, notes and you can have as much as help. Okay, no problem. I'll just try to wrap up. Okay, I know that we are a bit out of time, but what can I do? These are your doubts. If you want to leave the session, you can definitely leave it. Okay, because the 10 particular questions I wanted to explain that already have been finished, and after this, whatever I am teaching, these are the doubts, okay, which students have asked me. So like in this session, Rishi is saying that I have to explain macro, so in next session I'll explain macro. So in previous session somebody told me that explain typecasting in detail, so I have made notes and I am explaining in as much detail as possible. Okay, after this I'll take some of the practice programs. Okay, if you want to stay, you can stay, but I'll be there here. Okay, this is the thing. Yeah, now converting characters to strings. Yeah, character ch equal to a, then string 2 is there. Okay, one with one character, another with null terminator, that will be automatically included. Then I have, in this particular example, I have used the indexing. Means indexing I will means for after in this square bracket I have put a particular value which is 0. This is only known as indexing, means whenever memory allocation will be there, it will follow a particular order. Okay, like this 0 1 2 likewise. Okay, so for your character string str, okay, if I am saying str, after that I am using square brackets and I am writing 0, and after that I am writing ch, then means here in this particular cell, okay, A will be stored. Okay. After that, I have written null point assignment backslash 0. So in cell number 1, it would be uh, your in cell number 1, your null point assignment will be stored. Okay. So memory allocation in this particular case took place only till here, cell number 1. This won't be there. Okay. Just a second. I'll erase it down so that you don't get confused. Okay. It will take place up to 2 only because I have written character str equal to character str2. Okay. One for with space for one character and another for null point assignment. Okay. No, 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 no. It will take place till here only 0, 1, 2. Okay. Rest will be empty. Okay. So this was regarding converting characters to string. Okay. Just a second. Yes, I'll explain macros in C language in detail. Okay. Good. Yeah, I'll repeat it. Okay. Here, what I am, sir, where we get the assignment that is sent by the NPTEL team. A link has been sent to you, which will include the entire videos as well as the assignment links. Okay. Please do ask the NPTEL team if you are having any doubt. What is difference between character and string? Okay. Okay. Character is used to define a string. String is nothing but a statement which is consisting of numbers as well as alphabets. Okay, if I am saying this particular statement that my roll number is 123, so this is an example of a string. Okay, and character means it is a standard keyword in C which is used to define a string. Okay, this is the difference between character and string. Yeah, so I have to repeat it first. Okay, here what is happening? I have declared a string. Okay, character string as str2. Okay, means two particular cells, 0, 1, 2, 3 particular cells in total I have reserved. Okay, then here what I am doing, I am assigning the values one at a time. Okay, means this entire thing is an array. Okay, means it is having various cells inside it, string. Okay, str. So str, then afterwards I have used a 0. Okay, afterwards I have used 0, then afterwards I have written equal to ch, means in first in the 0th cell of my string, capital A will be stored. This is the meaning. Then str1 equal to null point assignment. Null point assignment is a null terminator which is used to denote end of the string. Okay, then I have printed the entire string. Okay, so this is how also you can convert the character, okay, to string. This is the thing here. Okay, then key takeaways, what are different key takeaways, they are present here. Okay, character to integer ASCII conversion is there, then string to integer library function is there. Okay, these all the things in detail have been written here for your reference. Do revisit them. Okay, sincere advice to you, please go through the PPT. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me go through your doubts, sir. Whether there is only difference in storing. Yeah, there is only difference in storing and memory allocation in different data types. Okay. When I am addressing the string through percentage, this me only C instead of C programming. But when I use backslash n as problem can't be solved. Hey, what is the problem? Please do mail me and write it in detail. Okay. This entire thing feels like a story I'm unable to understand. Okay. Sir, I didn't understand string allocation in memory. Explain it. Okay. Okay. I'll explain you. When I'm writing a particular statement, like here it has been written character str2. This 2 is denotes the total number of cells which are reserved for that particular variable, which is str in our case. So cells will be somewhat like this. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, this will be the number of cells. So when this only I wanted to explain that when I am saying str0 equal to ch means ch is a, then this here particularly in my str character array at cell 0th the value a will be stored. That is the only meaning. After that, null point assignment will be stored in the second variable, second cell. This only I wanted to explain. Okay, nothing new. Okay, let's move forward. I hope I am clear. Okay. Okay, C programming practice problems. Okay, just for building up your logic. Okay, I am starting in this particular session only. Although I know I am a bit late. Okay, so I am not giving you time. Try to understand the logic. Okay, I'll explain three particular programs in 5-10 minutes. After that, the session is over from my side. Okay, I genuinely took lot programs. I'll take less. Okay, in upcoming sessions. Okay. So here it has been written, then write a program to find the smallest number among three numbers using nested if else statement. Okay. If these three numbers are the input, then we have to just give the output that whichever is the smallest number. Okay. So this will be the code. Okay. Try to see it once the session is over. Try to take three numbers, see for yourself how things are getting evaluated. And if you are interested, you can even copy this entire code and run in an online compiler and see whether it is running correctly or not. What I have done here, I have inputted three numbers, n1, n2, and n3. Okay. Then I am comparing two numbers and I am writing another statement inside that particular first if. Okay, that if n1 is less than n2 and if n1 is less than n3, then I'll simply write it down that n1 is the smallest number, else I will print n3 is the smallest number. Okay, else I'll compare whether n2 is less than n3, means uh, that is only comparison which is left. After that, I'll write it down that n2 is the smallest number, else I'll print it down n3 is the smallest number. Two times only I am uh, doing the comparisons in total. Okay. First of all, I am comparing n1 with n2. Other than that, I am comparing n1 with n3. Afterwards, if these two conditions are false, then if first condition is true and another condition is false, then I am trying to compare n2 and n3. I am pretty sure that you would be having a lot of confusion, but just sit down with the code, see for yourself, then you will be able to understand. Take 2-3 numbers and try to run this particular code, then you will be able to understand and write it down correctly. Okay. Here I have evaluated the code for you guys. Okay, taken this particular numbers 14, 12, 14, 16, and I have successfully print 12 is the smallest number. Okay, this is the output. Another one with negative also -12, -256 and 256, -256 is the smallest number. Okay, this code is working perfectly fine. Next, very simple, giving input as a radius in terms of an integer value and calculating the output as an area. Okay, area, the formula is pi r square. Okay, so this one is the code, hash include stdio.h. I have defined pi as 3.14. Okay, then int main is there, int radius is there. I have declared the variables and float area is there. Then I am reading the radius from the user and I am calculating area is pi r square, pi into radius into radius. Okay. Okay, then I am giving the output up to 2 decimal places. Okay, simple code is there. I'm not explaining much. See for yourself. This is all are for your own understanding only. Okay. Here you see hash include stdio.h, then hash define pi 3.14. Entire code I have executed and I have got the correct answer. 100 if you will put, then you will multiply 3.14 by 100 into 100. You will get 31400.00. Okay. Next, check whether a given number is an odd or even. Very basic program in your any language, whichever you are trying to learn. The first program which generally the teacher teaches to the students is this only. I have kept it at number 3. I don't know why, but this is the very basic program. Okay. Whether checking whether an integer or a given number is even or odd. Okay. So just taking this, including the library stdio.h, the integer main I have written here. I should return 0. Okay. It will throw error. Okay. Just a second. I'll write it down. Otherwise, some students will say that, sir, you are not following the rules properly. I will follow. Sorry, I got off from the meeting from my second device. Okay. Just a second. Okay. The file must have been opened anywhere. Yeah. It is here. Just a second. Yeah. I was explaining you about this particular program. Okay. From the starting only, I hope that some disruption is there. Here, I have included the library stdio.h. Then I have written int main is there. Then int number is there. Okay. Then I am taking the input from number from the user. Okay. Then I am checking it by dividing it by 2 if number mod 2 equal to 0. Okay. Means I am checking whether the remainder is 0 or not. If it is 0, then I am saying that it is even. Otherwise, it is odd. Simple program. This is the very first program which any teacher teaches to his or her students. Okay. In any of the programming language. Okay. This is the execution. Here you can see hash include stdio.h and the entire program I have written. And if I am giving the input as 25, it is saying 25 is odd. Okay. So this concludes this particular session from my side. Sorry for taking half an hour extra, but I hope that all of your doubts along with the some information, interesting information I have provided to you. Thank you for joining the session. Do join the session next week, same time. Okay. I hope it is fruitful for you. Okay. Thank you all. And if some doubt is there, I am here. Okay. For a few more minutes, rest I'll leave. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Devashi. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for joining the session. Do join the session next week, same time. Okay. I am ending the session here. Okay.